So one of the things that you can do to organize your Google Classroom, the classwork, is create a topic and then organize things inside of that topic. So any topics you create will show up here on the side. So as you create an assignment here, one of the things you get to choose from are topics. And if you don't have one that you like already, you can create one from this spot right here. Okay. But one of the things that's also really nice is if you realize that you need to move stuff around, you don't have to go this and then edit and then check your topic. You can just drag them where you need them to be and then put them where they are most useful. You realize, nope, I want that to be down here. And then within one of those, I'm going to say all my materials go down at the bottom, and I'm going to put these in the order that I need them to be in, whatever it is. If you like the oldest stuff at the top, newest stuff at the top, you can do the same thing with these. You can move these up and down, right? Go back and forth, move stuff around. It's a pretty slick way to ensure that all of your classwork in Google Classroom is organized.